was born at Muhimbili Hospital on 21st of December 1981 at Dar es Salaam City in Tanzania. Both my parents died with HIV. My father died on 13th of April 2002 and my mother died on 10th of October 1997. Currently, I'm living with my stepmother, who is taking care of me. I remember it was 2006 when I was standard 6 studying at Kilimani Primary School in Arusha City, when my mother told me that I was HIV positive. I was scared and shocked regarding the news which I was told about. But my mother and my grandmother and all members of my family supported me. Thanks to God that I received the support from them, because I thought maybe I was going to die tomorrow or today. But my mother and all members of my family gave me support. It was on March of 2008 when I started attending clinic. So the main reason for me was to check my health, and they checked the CD4 and that found that my CD4 were 380. The doctor advised me that I should start using the RB medicine, but my mother strongly rejected the advice of the doctor. But she insisted that I should use nutrition. So I started using nutrition for about 3 months. Then I went back to the same hospital and I checked again my CD4, and my CD4 were found 420. And I started attending also clinic, which helped me to increase my CD4 more than that. And when I continued, my CD4 increased up to 450. I usually attend in clinic, which helped me to know more about nutrition. Some of the advantage I get from attending clinic are getting to know all about the nutrition's need for keeping my body healthy and how balanced the diet is supposed to be. Nutrition to depend on each other in order to work well in the human being's body. For example, iron, vitamin C, vitamin A, and fat. The challenges which I face in my school and at home, maybe I should start saying at school. At school, I'm not participating well in games, like I like playing football and basketball. And when I play basketball, they told me I can't, because I'm not strong enough to play even football. So I decided to start learning how to play pool table. This is when I started playing pool table, and I know to play very good. Anyone who wanna challenge me? My call to other people, or my fellow students, is they should get tested at the early stages to know their status, and also to realize how important nutrition is to protect our bodies from diseases. Nutrition has been a part of my life because it has been helping me increase my CD4. I am sticking into nutrition because it has been helping me stay healthy for a long time. Before I started ARV, nutrition is helping me to protect me from other diseases, and it has been keeping me strong and healthy. It is my hope that one day I will reach my dreams, which is becoming a computer analyst. Thank you for listening.